deals.
To no good.
We're making drug deals.
I know.
You shouldn't say that.
It can still go back some more, probably. So anyway, yeah, this one. So you've been out on one before.
Paddleboarding.
Okay. How far are you gonna go? So I know.
I go to the front beach and they come back.
Half hour, you know.
Let's go
All right, be safe. Oh, you got a movie of it?
You know, but it hasn't taken off yet.
Okay, someone's got you on camera. Be nice. That's for fish, I guess. Okay, hold on. You gotta sit the seat up. There. Okay, hold on. There you go. Sit back. Alright, here we go.
Thank you.
Alright.
Oh, it looks like he's having fun.
Ooh, that water feels good, Mary. You should go swimming.
I should have bought my swimming suit. I'm gonna turn it off now.
There he goes.